creating a new business using the MYOB accounting package. This is version 19.7. Create a new company file. Enter the company information. Next, your current financial year is 2013. The last day of the financial year, or last month of the financial year, is June. The conversion month is the month that you choose to convert to using the MYOB accounting package. So it doesn't necessarily have to be the first month of the financial year. In our case, it's going to be April, so we decided to use MYOB beginning in April. Number of accounting periods are 12. Some accountants use a 13th period, but we'll keep it at 12. Confirm all your details. I would like to start with one of the lists provided. Our organisation is a retail gift shop. I'm going to save my file. I don't want it to go to the C drive, so I'm going to save it in a different location. We're going to use the Setup Assistant. We need to customize so that we can select items by their name rather than their number, because the names are often easier. So that's there. And then close. We're going to customize our accounts list. The white arrow gives you access to all of the cards behind the accounts. So we're going to change the name of our check account. Through the white arrow, we're going to call it Cash at Bank. This could actually relate to a check account or a bank account, and you could call it Westpac account, St. George account, whatever you like. And that's changed. We're also going to change a sales account here. We're actually going to create a new sales account. Income, so that it starts with a 4. And if we press tab, that'll open up so we can give it an account name. And we're going to call it General Sales. On our Detail tab, we're going to allocate GST to our income account. And we're going to create a new account down in Purchases. And we're just going to call that Purchases. I'm going to put our opening balances in, our cash at bank. We have a capital amount which starts with 3, so owner shareholder capital. Accounts payable. Another word for accounts payable is our trade creditors. And accounts receivable or trade debtors. Notice at the bottom, amount left to be allocated is 0. So that means we've actually balanced. We now need to put in our opening balances for our aged payables and our aged receivables. So we go to Setup, the menu at the top menu, Balances, Supplier Balances. Note we don't have any suppliers on our list because this is a new account. So we have to create some new suppliers. We won't worry about putting all the information in here. We'll just keep adding our 4 suppliers in. Obviously you would have all their contact details and their ABNs, so you'd have to enter all that in as well. So now on our supplier list we can see our 4 suppliers there. So I'm going to allocate their opening balances. So that means that this is not a brand new company and we've done dealings with craft importers, so we've bought goods from this supplier before. So we're going to add those old invoices into our new system. So add purchase, press tab. We're going to put in the 1st of January, the supplier invoice number, the total amount, and delete the GST because that's already been accounted for. Our next supplier. Add purchase. Invoice number. Delete the GST. Ajax. Add delete the GST. And the last one, add purchase. Note these are called pre-conversion purchase. So this is before we converted to this new accounting system. Delete the GST and record. And it's told us we've now balanced. So we've allocated all of our trade creditors, outstanding balance, we've allocated to each individual supplier.